In front of me is CUBOT X30, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So at the very beginning, we have to open your phone dialer, click on the more icon then, and now select settings. Here you should pick voicemail and then click on notifications. Now smoothly select advanced, click on sound, and from the following list you can pick the sound that you like the most. So smoothly go through all of them and mark the one that you like the most. So let me show you just some of them. Okay, it's muted. And finally just mark the one that you want to apply, so it can be, for example, on the hound, tap on OK, and as you can see it has been applied. So this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.